Sensibility and practicality define the 2016 Nissan Rogue. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. All-wheel drive maintains traction at all 4 corners. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, turn signal indicator mirrors, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.